Commuters are being encouraged to take part in a new suicide prevention campaign to lower the number of deaths on railways. 237 people took their own lives on our rail lines last year, but for every death, 6 more lives were saved through interventions. Sky's Hajibagheri reports.
Attention passengers on platform 11. I'm sorry to announce that there's been a serious incident on the line.
Last year, 237 people committed suicide on our railways. But for every tragic death, 6 more lives were saved by an intervention. Michael Budd has worked on the tracks for 20 years and has met many people at their most vulnerable.
More and more we're dealing with mental health issues and people who are trying to take their own life. We probably get 2 or 3 a month, if not more, on the Wessex area alone. I personally have intervened in the last year probably about 7 or 8 times.
Now commuters are being encouraged to step in and speak to people they suspect may be contemplating suicide. The Samaritans, British Transport Police and the rail industry are launching the Small Talk Saves Lives campaign to give travellers the confidence to act.
We're asking them to look out for certain signs, perhaps somebody standing at the end of a platform who looks lonely or just away from other members of the travelling public. Also asking them to look out for people that may be sitting there, perhaps taking off rings or clothing, which we do know are signs. Just ask a small question to start that conversation going. We know that can work with people who feel suicidal, can break their thought patterns, and it can help reduce suicides on the railway.
If something doesn't feel right, the message is to act. A simple conversation can be all it takes to help someone on a journey to recovery. Hajibagheri, Sky News.
Anyone feeling emotionally distressed or suicidal can, of course, always call the Samaritans for help on 116 123.